Police respond to a Dollar General after a manager reports a man stuck inside a bathroom for over an hour. What they find is strange and unsettling. A man hiding in the bathroom roof with broken tiles. The situation quickly escalates.
Still in there?
Yep, still in there.
This way?
Yeah, I'll give you a 2%.
Did he just go in there?
That was like over an hour ago.
Sheriff's office! Open the door!
Yeah, just
Step back. Sheriff's office, open the door, man. Huh? Open the door! Alright, you can go ahead and open it.
Officers knock on the door, but no answer. They find broken ceiling tiles and hear the man above them. He climbed up inside the bathroom ceiling, hiding where no one would expect.
Sheriff's office, man. Yes, it is. Are you in the roof? Get down. Huh? I can't hear you, man. I cannot hear you. What? What's your name, man? 380. He's climbed up in the roof. Do you have a ladder or some way to get up there?
yeah, I can grab one from the back.
Yeah, if you don't mind. Hey, man, it's the sheriff's office. I just need you to come down so I can talk to you. Huh? Where are you at?
Is he up there?
I hear him, but I can't see him, and obviously can't look up there. I haven't written this down.
Hey! Sheriff's office! Get down! We're not going anywhere. Was that already open like that?
I don't know. I mean...
They got like a burden or something?
They've got... He's going to get a mop. Or a ladder. That's a mop. But if you open that... That's how I'm assuming he climbed up there. I think he's that way.
Brought the gentleman a Pinot Noir or Grease.
Bring that bladder here.
Which one? Let's go with this one. Would you want to pursue charges for the criminal mischief?
Yeah.
How much damage is that?
What's he done so far?
Broken the... Come on out for me. I just need to know.
Yeah, I'm going
Breaking the tiles.
Breaking the tiles, I don't know how much they cost, but it's a pain in the ass. We gotta get it fixed.
Yeah.
I'll call my manager and ask him.
Hold on, here, let me out.
Yeah.
Just hold it, and I'll climb up there. Yeah, that's good.
Have you done? Oh, he broke this as well.
Hey! Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Can you see his hands?
Let me see your hands. Where's the other? Let me see it. I don't see it. What do you mean you're stuck? Get your ass down. Come on. Let's go.
You better hurry your ass up. We're going to come yank you down.
Let's go. Let me see your other hand. Your other fucking hand. What's in your hand? Okay, I ain't worried about a fucking Reese's, okay?
Damn.
Let's go. Climb down. I don't give a shit about your drugs you got up here or whatever. Just get the shit down. If that's why you don't want to show me your fucking hand. Get down. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Is he zeroed with anything other than a Reese's?
Not that I can see.
Alright, well I'm about to just come yank him. You better come down or I'm gonna yank your ass down.
Blade right there in your pants. Pull that blade out of your pants and toss it. No, you didn't.
Police try to get him to come down. The man won't listen. He's holding a knife. Officers warn him to drop it. The air is heavy as they wait, ready for anything.
Stand up so I can see you. Let's go. Let's go. Get down. Get down!
If you want a holster, I'll just grab him.
Come on over here.
He'll come down.
I don't really know what he has on him.
That's alright.
Let's go. Come on. You got up there. You can get down. Right here. Walk over and get down.
Listen, man, we already asked you. I'm gonna yank you down if you don't put 1 foot on this ladder right now. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up or I'm gonna grab you. Come on.
After a moment, police grab him and pull him down. They search him and find drugs on him. The standoff ends with him in handcuffs.
Playing then, dude. Come on. You'll come down one way or another. Give me your hand. Get the down. You won't. Don't play. He got lost. Alright, let's go, man. Come on. I don't care what it is, man. Huh? No, you're going to jail. What do you mean? Because you busted up their roof. I got it. Y'all can stay 10-8, find something more entertaining.
What you say? Oh, cool.
Nothing, man. Don't listen to that.
No, that's what I live.
I don't care. Here,
What it's all about.
I'm gonna search them real quick before we get too far.
I'm telling you, bro. I got proof. I got proof, bro. You hear me? Sir, I'm not just on drugs. You need to hear me out. You need to hear me out.
I already gave you your chance. You didn't want to talk. You wanted to play games.
Come down. That's it.
Elvis Presley coin.
You let me go out and keep it.
No. I don't give a shit about your Elvis Presley coin.
31403.
Do you have anything that you found?
Not. Yeah, if you want to just make sure, because you got gloves on.
Don't
Don't worry about your pants right now. I still got to check all your 50 million pockets, boss.
Frank 22.
Nothing.
94
You think I take your word for it?
I'm just saying.
Okay, well, I appreciate you telling me. What, you want spice?
No, hell no. Hell no. I'll fuck this.
No, that's not spice.
No.
Alright. Let's put him in my Tahoe and I'm going to get all of his information. You see how my back seat is empty? So when we get to the jail, it's going to remain empty, right?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
Alright, anything that's back there you're getting charged with. Just letting you know.
I'm just saying. I got some. Yeah.
10-4. Is the Rivers of Azure making
Huh?
threats
Got some white powder.
to the West Park Pavilion?
This, here's his knife. These are just burnt, so there's nothing in them.
I don't need that thing.
There is white powder.
Where was it?
Up there where he was.
I'm just going to put it all in for destruction. It's going to get thrown out anyway because he wasn't in direct possession. I'm just going to charge him with criminal mischief.
He faces several charges, including possession of a controlled substance, criminal mischief for breaking the tiles, trespassing, resisting arrest, and petty theft. The man posts several bonds totaling about $4,150 and is released while his case is open. Court dates are set and a psychological evaluation was ordered to better understand his situation. This strange case is more than a man breaking tiles and hiding. It's a story of trouble and struggle behind the scenes. Police handled a tough call, but there's much more to this story. Everyone here is innocent until proven guilty. This video is shared to inform and promote awareness. This is street justice. where the truth can't be buried and the facts always rise to the surface. If you want more real cases, real crimes, and real consequences, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Stay alert, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next one.